If you've ever had a folder of 30 contracts, research papers, or lecture PDFs and thought, I know the answer is in here somewhere, this is for you. NotebookLM turns that folder into something you can just ask questions. NotebookLM is a free tool from Google. Unlike ChatGPT, it doesn't answer from general internet knowledge. It only answers from the documents you upload. That means fewer hallucinations and answers you can actually trust for real work. Here's the workflow in 3 steps. Upload your source documents, let it process them, then ask questions in plain English. No prompt engineering, no formatting your files. It just works with what you already have. Step 1. Create a new notebook and upload your files. PDFs, Google Docs, even pasted text or website links all work. You can add up to 50 sources per notebook, which is plenty for a contract batch or a semester of course readings. Once it's processed, NotebookLM automatically generates a summary and suggested questions for each source. This alone is useful. You get an instant overview of a 40-page contract without reading a single page. Now the real value, type a question in the chat box, ask something like, which of these contracts have an auto-renewal clause, or summarize the termination terms across all vendor agreements. It searches every uploaded file at once. Every answer comes with citations, little numbered tags linking back to the exact paragraph in the exact document it pulled from. Click the citation and it jumps straight to that spot in the PDF. That's how you verify it's not making things up. For contracts specifically, upload your entire vendor or lease agreement folder and ask cross-document questions. Which agreements expire this year? Which have indemnification clauses? Which vendor has the strictest liability cap? Work that used to take a paralegal hours now takes seconds. For research, drop in every paper related to your literature review, ask it to compare methodologies, find contradicting conclusions, or list every paper that mentions a specific variable. It reads faster than you ever could. For students, upload your syllabus, lecture slides, and textbook chapters into one notebook. Then quiz yourself, ask it to explain a concept using only your course material, or generate a study guide that matches exactly what your professor taught. NotebookLM also has an audio overview feature. It generates a podcast-style conversation summarizing your documents. Good for a first pass or reviewing material during a commute, but don't treat it as a replacement for reading the actual source. A few limits to know: it can still misread ambiguous phrasing, so always check the citation on anything high stakes like a legal clause. And free accounts have upload limits, so for huge document sets, you may need to split into multiple notebooks. This isn't about replacing your judgment, it's about not wasting hours searching for information you know exists somewhere in your files. Load your documents once and query them forever. If you found this useful, try it on your own folder this week: a contract batch, a research pile, or your course materials. Subscribe for more AI workflows that actually save time, no hype attached.